Welcome, this is Teva week 1. I'm your Mora Derech Ariel, your trail guide, and I want to extend a huge welcome to PHA. They're our first group of 6th graders who are coming to Spring Teva 2020. So welcome to Pygmy Hebrew Academy 6th grade. So nice to meet you, Kochav and Luna. We are going to play a game called Run and Scream. Okay, so this is a great game to just let out all of our wiggles, let out of all of our energy. And the point of the game is to run as far as you can with one breath while screaming. Take a deep breath in and go. Welcome to Kaufman. This will be your cabin for the week, and this is your home away from home. So treat it with respect as you would your own space. So ticks. The number one way to prevent ticks is by wearing your sababa socks. Sababa socks are socks pulled up over your pants. And ticks, they crawl, they don't jump, and they don't fly. And they like to stay really low to the ground. And so when if a tick crawls up your legs, then they won't be able to get underneath your pants. And so then throughout the day, you could just look, oh, do I have any ticks on me? No, we are good. So it's wonderful that you're eating this plant because it actually has quite a bit of vitamin C in it. So what are some of the plants that you think of that have a lot of vitamin C? Yeah, exactly. Citrus and leafy greens like spinach or broccoli, those all have vitamin C. But up here in the Northeast, those things aren't growing year round. And yeah, we need vitamin C to keep our bodies healthy. And so this pine tree can give us our vitamin C all year round, which is incredible. So this tree is called a white pine. And you can tell that it's a white pine because it has 5 needles. And those needles spell W-H-I-T-E. Okay, now that we've explored the forest a little bit and wandered, now we're gonna try to look for some things. So we'll each get our Shomrei Adama Machberet, our Guardians of the Earth notebook, and on page 4 you will find the Discovery Challenge. So, how many of these things can you find in the woods? A leaf eaten by insects, a rock with a pattern on it. Yeah, go take a look. Oh, cool. What did you find? Nice. So now that it's the end of the day, what did you notice now that we've been in the forest for a few hours that you didn't notice when you first got here? Yeah, that the trees all look different from each other. There's so many different varieties and species of trees here. That's a great observation. You get your red bead for awareness. As I was waking up, my spirit called to me, and it said to me, it said, Modeh Ani. What called to you this morning? Grain. As I was waking up, my grain called to me, and it said to me, it said, Modeh Ani. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I'm so glad you guys are here. There's been a death in the woods. And do you know who's come to investigate? The FBI. Let's go check it out, come on. So the FBI is here to investigate the fungus, the bacteria, and the invertebrates. And we are going to see if they can help us solve what happened. What is this? Yeah, exactly, a tree that fell over. And what's happening to it now? It's decomposing, you're right. You guys are brilliant. They're really teaching you a lot at Pygmy Hebrew Academy. How is this log decomposing? Yeah, it's breaking down into what? Exactly, into soil. So this log, let's turn it over and see what we can find. Whoa. Okay, so what do we see? Yeah, a lot of fungus. All of this white stuff and black stuff, that's fungus. Do we see any invertebrates? Who knows what an invertebrate is? Exactly, so we are vertebrates because we have spines, but invertebrates means animals with no spines. So let's see. Oh, here's an ant. Nice. Yeah, so all of these are working together to break down this log and produce soil. So this happens all over the forest. In our natural cycle, when one thing dies, it becomes the life, the food for something else. And so as these leaves break down, they become soil. And as this tree breaks down, this tree becomes soil and provides nutrients for these trees to thrive and grow. There's no such thing as garbage. Can you all say that? Nice, there's no such thing as garbage. All right, so here at Teva, we have a system of beads. So as you move through the Teva week, you will earn beads. It's not guaranteed that you're gonna get all of your beads. You have to be an active participant in our kavutza. Okay, so here's my beads that I earned when I did Teva. Well, as an adult, not as kids like you. And each bead stands for something different. So red is for awareness, white is for togetherness, so how do we work together as a group? Green is ecology, and blue is responsibility. And then finally, we have the earth bead. And the earth bead you'll actually earn after you're done with Teva, and we're gonna talk about that more later, but you're gonna make a promise to the earth, a brit adama, and after 6 weeks of fulfilling your brit adama, you will get an earth bead. So we'll do that on our very last day, but we can start thinking about it now. Beautiful, thank you, Luna. Thank you, Kochav, for being so attentive. So I just wanna say what a wonderful day that we've had here in the forest, and we're gonna come back tomorrow and do even more. But you all really, I think that you've earned your ecology bead, and I would love for you to answer a couple questions and really show me that you've learned about ecology today. Okay, so question number 1, whoever knows it, just raise up your hand. What is a macroinvertebrate? Yeah, Luna? Exactly. Okay, second question is, who are the FBI? Exactly. Good job, Kochav. Okay, congratulations. You have all earned your green bead. I'm so proud of you for all of the ecology learning. We're gonna go back. I'm gonna hold on to the beads and you'll get them all at the end together. Okay? So it's snack time. Let's get our things. Remember to do a tick check when you go back, and it'll be free time next.